Hi everyone, welcome to my tutorial on your second assessment for TE1. Now, this video is a demonstration on how to create a website based on your first assessment. Okay, so let's open Google Chrome. I'm sure you have already finished your assessment 1, so then we can continue on your assessment 2. So I'm going to show you my example of my storyboard, okay, for my first assessment. I'm just gonna use the example, okay? So if you go to my website, you can see the storyboard example, okay? This one you're supposed to do it physically, okay? So my storyboard is about sundews, okay, or droseras. Now let's see. So if I click, this is the second page and this is the third page. Okay, so let's go back to the first page first. All right, so I'm gonna go to new tab, okay? If you are starting to create your website, you can straight away go in. Okay, how do you create a website? So once you already open your Google Chrome, it will appear something like this. Click at 9 dots and then go to Drive, okay? So once you are in Drive, go to New, scroll down to More, click on More, okay? Then click on Google Sites. So, okay, I'm gonna skip this tour. Okay, so since I'm doing sundews as my choice of plant, okay? So it's gonna be sundews, okay? So your page title, so make sure you double click here, okay? If you didn't select everything, okay, make sure you click from title, drag until your, okay, I'm gonna name it as home, okay, because this is the first page. All right, so you can change the font. How you change the font? You select all again, click and drag, go to Lato Light. This is where you can choose fonts. I'm gonna choose Comic Sans. Okay, maybe make it bold. Okay, there, done. Okay, the next thing you need to do is when you hover your mouse, here, okay, you can see image, choose, and then select, go to Google Images. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this picture, insert. Okay, so it'll look something like my header right here, okay? Okay, so we're gonna start with this text right here. How do we add the text? Oops, wrong one. How do we add the text? Okay, go to text box, then you have it here. So I'm gonna type out what's written right here, Droseras, which is commonly known as sundews, okay? Droseras. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward right here, okay? Okay, okay, now I've already typed out all the words. Let's try and put a divider. Okay, make sure you're still in insert, okay? If you're not, if you're in pages, go back to insert. So go down and choose divider. So it will divide this word and then we're going to add pictures. How do we do that? Still in insert, okay? Because my part has videos and pictures, okay? So let's start off at content blocks. I choose the third choice right here. Okay. I don't necessarily have to follow everything. Okay. But make sure it doesn't run away from your design. Okay. Make sure it's not completely different from your design. Okay. So I'm going to go here. Let's put a video. Okay. Put a YouTube video. Let's search for Drosera. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this video, select, Okay. Now we can put some pictures, okay? So you go to select image, Google Images, and then you can find more pictures of Droseras or the choice of your plants, okay? And then you can add some more pictures. Go to Google Images, okay? Not Google Drive. Not photos either, Google Images, okay? Sundews. Okay, now we're done with the first page, okay? But make sure don't forget to name your site. So what do we name the site? If you look at the assignment note, okay, it says here, okay, let's see. Your site must be named TE1 Assessment 1, your name and class. Okay, so when you go back here, click on Untitled Site. Okay, so you need to type this. Okay, your name. So, Miss Laura. Okay, let's say you're from 4 Deacons, 4-1. Okay, so that is the name of your site. Okay, so you're done with your home page. Now the next thing you need to do is go to pages because we're going to add a new page. So look back at your own storyboard, okay? My storyboard is about sundews, okay? Your storyboard might be different. So let's look at the next one. Okay, this is my second page, okay, web page. So the second web page must be the characteristics of the plant, okay? So we're gonna go to the plus. When you hover, it will change, okay? But don't worry, you just click on the same button. Okay, we're gonna name it as characteristics. Done. Okay, so let's change the font like how we did for home. Okay, I'm gonna choose Comic Sans characteristics. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we need to put a picture and some words here. This is what I plan my website to look like. Okay, so go to insert again. Anything you want to put inside your web page, you go to insert. So I'm gonna choose this, which is similar to what is shown in my storyboard. Okay, let's choose a picture. Okay, we're talking about characteristics. So what did I write here? So I'm just putting a random Drosera image. So you click, select image. You can put videos if you want, okay? But make sure you follow what is on your storyboard. This sundew, different species right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put something right here. I'm gonna delete this one and just have this one on top because I just want to put words. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward and then I'll have the words typed out right here. Okay, I'm gonna have the words typed out right here. So sundews are flypaper. Okay, so if you want to do dot points, you click on this. Okay, then go to bullet list. Okay, okay, I'm done typing this part. So if you look right here, I actually put a divider right here, okay? So how do we do the divider? Just scroll down in insert, go to divider, then you can put a divider, okay? So here I put a video, okay? It's the same like the first one. We go to content block, okay? It's just that I delete this part right here. I just put the title. So let's find the video. Okay, here's a video. I put Sandio trapping a bug. Okay, so what did I write here? I wrote here's a video showing how trap its prey. Okay, so let me type the title here. Okay, so let me change the font. I change it to this. Okay, so I'm basically done with the second web page. Okay, so you can go to home and see. This is a different one. And the second one is characteristics. Okay, now we're done with 2 pages. Now we're going to go to the last one, which is climate and country. So go to pages again, and another one, climate and country. Okay, done. So let's change the font again. Comic Sans and bold. Okay, so now we're done with the header title. So let's go to the next one. Okay, most of them, okay, like to grow somewhere sunny, wet, or sandy. Okay, so most of the Droseras like this kind of condition, but there are some rare ones that grow in the desert or the Arctic. Okay, so let's include these. Okay, so I'm gonna go to insert, go to here again. Okay, so let's choose a picture. Go to Google Images. Okay, so I'm gonna insert this picture. This is a type of Drosera, okay? So I'm gonna do it here. And then I'm gonna choose a font. Okay, now let's change the title right here. The title is What Climate They Like. Okay, so now let's see. I also put a divider, so let's follow what is on your storyboard as well, okay? Divider. And then we're gonna put another content block. Okay. If you notice my content block, the image, I change it to the right side. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we can move it like so. Okay, can you see the line at the right side? That's where the picture is gonna drop. There. So mine is about where they come from. Okay, Droseras. You can even put a picture of a map. Okay. So select images. So I'm sure you remember how to use what you call keywords to search the internet. Okay, so remember what we've learned the previous semester. Okay, so here is a map. Okay, in my previous one I didn't put a map, I just put a random picture. Okay, if you want to if you want to change to another picture, you can, just don't change to another plant. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick to my what you call that, the storyboard. Okay, so let's choose this one, this picture, and insert. Okay, so I'm gonna follow what's here. Where do they come from? Okay, let's follow the title. Okay, make sure you follow the title. Okay, the titles you have to follow what is according to my guide, but the content you can change because it's based on the choice. Okay, I'm gonna type out everything. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward this part. Okay, Okay, now we're done with the third page. Okay, once you are done, okay, so the next step you have to do is publish it. Okay, how do we publish? Go to publish. Okay, so there will be like what you call a web address that you need to put. Okay, so what you need to do is, okay, type TE1 A1, your name and your class. Okay, so what happened is when you share it to me, you share me this website link right here. So once you have done writing the name behind right here, so now you can click on publish. So what happens if you share that link to the other people? Okay, I'm gonna go into incognito mode. Okay, if you share that link to other people can look at your website, but they cannot edit anything from your website. Okay, so remember how you write emails, right? Remember to send that link, okay, your website link to me, to my email. All right, so if you don't know how to send an email to me, or you don't know how to type your email, okay, you're at year 4 assignments, correct, at my website. Here's a button to how to submit an assignment. Okay, it will show you what to type for your email. You understand? Okay, so basically that is the end of your assignment 2 or assessment 2.